Good day. This is the brief on debugging fear, treating anxiety like an AI hallucination. Okay, so this is all about looking at fear in a totally new way. Not as some deep emotional failing, but more like a fascinating, solvable cognitive glitch, a simple prediction error that, we can actually learn to debug. First, let's get to the problem. We're calling fear a predictive error. And here's the key idea. Just like an AI can sometimes hallucinate facts that aren't true, our minds can generate these false scenarios that aren't based on any actual data. So that anxiety you might feel, that fear of judgment, think of it as phantom logic. Your brain is just inventing barriers that literally aren't there. So second, if that's the problem, the solution is to treat that fear like a false positive. Imagine an alarm is blaring, screaming "threat detected." But when you check the reality feed, what's actually happening around you, it shows no threat. The whole idea is to recognize that the emotional warning is just an error. It doesn't match your real situation. And finally, to handle these false alarms, there's a simple two-step debugging protocol. Step 1. Check your actual dataset. You've got to ask yourself, is this fear based on any real solid proof from my life? And step 2. If you find zero evidence, you just delete the file. The logical move is to say, error discarded, and then you refuse to engage with it emotionally. By using this structured logical process, you can effectively debug your brain's threat system. You can catch that unsupported anxiety and just discard it before it really takes hold. Thank you.